I mounted my old Panasonic G3 camera to the ceiling so I can shoot some bird eye footage and try editing with 3 cameras. I tried 2, so why not 3? Although I'm not sure if this is going to work because this old camera shoots in a different format and in a different frame rate. The camera is hanging on a piece of angle iron and I'm using a little ball joint tripod head to move things around a bit. We'll see how it works out. So, coming up next, a 3 camera shot. Okay, that's 2 cameras rolling. And now let's switch on the 3rd. That's rolling as well. A little bit of lubrication. And then let's drill this thing. I'll be right back. I'm back. I had to go to the other room to get my piece of tin that will protect the lead screw. You might remember this thick washer. It will keep the tin in place. A bit more speed. I think it's time to clean out the chips. So when the thrust light gets harder to turn and the hole fills up with chips, or the flutes fill up with chips, the amperage on the frequency drive goes up a little bit, and then it's time to clean things out. It's now fluctuating between 0.8 and 1.1 amps. It was also sounding rather rough. A little bit of oil. I think it's almost time to move one of the cameras so I can film the breakthrough. Yeah, I'm going to move the camera. Focus! One camera lost focus there. I think the fluids are getting filled up. The workpiece has run into the front of the chuck, so I guess I need to move the drill bit just a little bit. So that should be enough. Let's continue. There was nothing left to do. Well, job done. Next up, a 7.5mm drill bit. Move this out of the way. I'll move the camera back in its original position. Focus. A little less ISO. Here's the 7.5mm drill bit. That has a little bit of damage, but that shouldn't matter for this hole. A little bit of oil, and let's get this done. Slowing the frequency drive a little bit down. Here we go again. I'm getting close. I think it's time to move the camera to film the breakthrough. Damn gravity. And that's another breakthrough. Backing out. And we're done with the 3 cameras.